Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun. You'll see. We'll play, explore, and laugh out loud. Bright explorers make us proud. Bright explorers, let's go far, shining bright like a shooting star. Learning, growing every day. Come and join us, hip hooray!
Hey kids, let's learn the animal alphabet together. Get ready, sing along to meet each letter and their fun friends. Let's go!
E is for alligator, bopping, chomping, see you later. B is for barrel, big and furry, full of flair. C is for cow, moo, 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 hear it now. D is for dolphin, jumping high and splashing in. E is for elephant, stomping, stomping, what a gent. F is for fox, sneaky, quick and clever talks. G is for giraffe, so tall it makes us laugh. H is for hamster, tiny paws that spin so fast. Learn, sing along, dance with me, learning animals A to Z. Clap your hands and stomp your feet, let's make learning super sweet. I is for iguana, green and scaly, loves the sun. J is for jellyfish, floating, glowing, what a wish. K is for kangaroo, hop, hop, jumping too. L is for lion, roaring loud, oh what a king. M is for monkey, swinging high. N is for numbat, oh so spry. O is for octopus, wiggly fun. P is for penguin, loves to run. Q is for quail, little tiny bird with a curly tail. R is for rabbit, hopping fast, can't grab it. S is for snake, slithering all around the lake. T is for tiger, stripes so bold, fierce and bright. U is for unicorn, sparkles, magic, dreams are born. V is for vulture, flying high, see the culture. Boo is for whale, splish and splash, big and hell. X is for x-ray fish, see through scales, what a dish. Y is for yak, woolly coat on mountain track. Z is for zebra, black and white, what a sight. We sang our song from A to Z, now we know our ABCs. Clap your hand, give a cheer, let's sing again next year.
Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn